How to recover permanently deleted Snapchat account after 30 days. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to recover permanently deleted Snapchat account after 30 days. So first thing, let me just tell you that you cannot recover your account after 30 days because it's the policy of Snapchat that you cannot just reinstall or recover your account once you have passed those limited 30 days time, the specified time. So in that case, what you can do instead is, but if you are still inside those 30 days cycle and it's not been completed though, then in that case just head over to your browser and just click on search in for Snapchat support. So once you search in for this option, just click on the first link over here, and from over here just tap on this my account where it's compromised, and it will take you to this page over here. So just click on this option over here, and from over here you have to read this section. As you can see, it will ask you to enter your username, email or phone number and provide your phone number just like that, and you can click on submit. And before we proceed, under this description section you just have to mention your direct issue under this section, like by saying I deleted my Snapchat account because I wanted to take a break from it, and since there was no option to available to temporarily deactivate, I deleted my account, so help me recover my account. And you may as well mention your Gmail and or phone number which you used to register in that particular Snapchat account, and just click on submit, and the Snapchat team will review your issue and to try to recover your account. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.